let's talk about something we all take for granted. We walk on it every day, we call it dirt, and we pretty much forget it's even there. But what if I told you that this stuff under our feet is one of the most vital resources we have and that it's in serious trouble? Yeah, we're talking about soil.
Okay, so let's just start with a number, 95%. What in the world could that be? Well, it has absolutely everything to do with what you ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner today.
That's right. An incredible 95% of all the food we eat comes from the soil, one way or another. Seriously, think about it. The wheat for your bread, the potatoes, the salad on your plate, even the grass that feeds the cows for milk and meat. It all starts right there in the ground.
I know, it sounds almost ridiculous, right? Soil has always been there. But this foundation, the very thing that has supported human civilization for thousands of years, is now facing a crisis on a global scale. To really get what's at stake here, we have to completely change the way we think about soil. Because it is so much more than just dirt. It's a complex, living, breathing system. Probably the best way to picture healthy soil is to think of it like a bustling underground city. In a single teaspoon, you can have millions, even billions of organisms. Bacteria, fungi, tiny insects, earthworms, you name it. And they're all working together 24/7. They're basically the planet's ultimate recycling crew, turning dead stuff into the critical nutrients our crops need to grow.
And that living city, well, it's under siege. And this isn't some problem for our grandkids to worry about. No, it's happening right now, at a speed and scale that's honestly hard to even wrap your head around.
Get ready for this. Every single year, the world loses 24 billion tons of fertile topsoil. And let me be clear, this isn't just dirt moving from one place to another. This is the good stuff, the rich, life-giving layer that took thousands of years to build, just being washed and blown away forever.
It's tough to picture 24 billion tons, so let's put it another way. It's the equivalent of losing 4 football fields worth of healthy soil every single second. Gone. Just in the time it took me to say that, another couple of fields vanished. And this loss is being driven almost entirely by unsustainable farming practices.
The projection from here is frankly terrifying. If we keep on this path, by the year 2050, as much as 95% of all of Earth's land could be degraded. And that's right when our population is expected to be over 9 billion. This is a direct threat to our ability to feed ourselves.
So how did we get here? Well, a few big reasons. Intensive tilling, that's plowing, it just rips that underground city apart. Monocropping, which is planting the same exact crop year after year, basically puts the soil on a starvation diet of one nutrient. Then there's the overuse of chemical fertilizers, which messes with the delicate natural balance, and heavy machinery, which compacts the soil so tightly it basically suffocates.
And please don't think this is just some abstract environmental issue. The consequences of this are deeply and often painfully human.
Just consider this number for a second. 1.7 billion. That's how many people are already living in places where crop yields are falling because of this crisis. That's nearly a quarter of the entire world's population feeling the direct impact right now.
And this is the human face of that statistic. This farmer is from Catalonia, in Spain, a place that's getting hit with brutal droughts, made so much worse by degraded soil. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into your work for an entire year, only for it to be useless because the ground can't hold any water. It's a story of heartbreak we're seeing all over the globe.
And the problem goes even deeper. Because even when we can grow food, the quality of that food is suffering. There's a term for it, hidden hunger. It's when people have enough calories, their bellies feel full, but the food itself is empty of the essential vitamins and minerals their bodies need, because the soil it grew in was already depleted. It's a silent malnutrition crisis affecting billions.
Okay, I know, that's a really bleak picture, but the story doesn't end there. In fact, here's where it pivots. Because the good news is, we know exactly how to fix this. We can bring our soils back to life. The solution is a huge shift in thinking called regenerative agriculture. It's not about trying to extract as much as possible from the land. It's about farming in a way that actually rebuilds and restores the ecosystem. It's about working with nature, not constantly fighting against it. The difference is pretty stark. Conventional farming is often obsessed with one goal, maximizing the yield of one single crop. And it does that with a lot of plowing, monocultures, and chemicals. Regenerative farming looks at the bigger picture. The goal is to optimize the health of the entire system. That means little or no tilling, lots of crop diversity, and feeding the soil what it actually wants, organic matter. It really boils down to 4 key principles. 1, keep the soil covered with plants, like a protective blanket. 2. Just disturb it as little as possible. So, no more heavy plowing. 3. Try to keep living roots in the ground all year long to feed that underground city of microbes. And 4. Diversify. Mix up the crops to build a healthier, stronger system.
And when we start putting these ideas into practice, something incredible happens. We don't just stop the damage, we actually start to reverse it. We begin building a future where we can have both productive farms and a healthy planet.
And here's maybe the most hopeful number of all, plus 58%. Studies are showing that farming this way doesn't mean we grow less food. In fact, it could lead to producing up to 58% more food. By restoring the soil's natural health, we can boost yields and build a food system that can better withstand shocks like droughts and floods.
Ultimately, it's all connected. It's so simple. When we regenerate our soil, we get a healthier foundation for our food. That, in turn, helps create a healthier planet. And, of course, healthier people who are eating more nutritious food. It is truly a win-win-win.
So, where does this all leave us? The ground beneath our feet is a legacy we all share. The big question now is, can we restore it before it's too late? Just remember the key takeaways here. Soil is not dirt. It's a living ecosystem that gives us 95% of our food. Right now, it's degrading at a terrifying speed, which puts our entire future at risk. But, and this is the most important part, we have the solution. We know that regenerative agriculture can reverse the damage, boost food production, and build a more resilient world. We're at a critical turning point. The knowledge is there. The only question left is whether we have the collective will to act.